Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel and you're watching Triple R Farms, and it is Monday, June the 21st. I hope everybody had a great Father's Day weekend. I know I did, and it was nice to have some time to relax away from farming. But we are back at it today, and we are over here in Autaugaville where PA got through planting the beans. I was going to show you those right here. So they're coming up great, and we had a tropical storm that came through over the weekend. Anyway, it dumped about 2 inches of rain just about on every farm. It was actually just perfect. We are very blessed again to get that rain. Wasn't too much. It was a slow rain, so it didn't come real hard and just wash everything out in the ditches. It rained pretty much all day Saturday, and just a slow rain, and it is exactly what every crop we got needed. Corn had just put on that last shot of ammonium nitrate, so that was perfect for it. We just got through planting all these beans, double crop beans, so that hit them perfect. So they all should come up like they are. So anyway, it was just exactly what we needed. But these are enlist beans over here, because our neighbor right here has got enlist cotton. So we got enlist beans, and we'll see how they do. They're Pioneer 59 something or whatever. The only enlist variety for Pioneer is what this is. So we'll be watching it. A little wet to come over here and spray today. What I got on tap for this week is we've got 2 farms left to finish up spraying soybeans. Me and Josh are going to try to knock those out, but it's a little wet right here today, so we'll probably have to wait. The only bad thing is the next 3 days we've got pretty good chances of rain. It's like 70% every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we're going to be fighting the rain, but we'll get it done. But we'll finish up that. It's 1,200 acres of beans we got to finish up on 2 farms, and then we'll be pretty much caught up. So Dad and them are back at the shop doing some stuff. I'm gonna take the combine back to the shop because we're through over here in Autaugaville, through with the wheat. The wheat did very good. Very pleased with the yield. So we're done with this baby for right now. So I'm gonna drive it back to the shop, which is anywhere from a 2.5 to 3 hour drive. So I got a good little hike ahead of me, depending on the traffic. So I'm gonna get on the road with this thing. We'll get back to the shop, meet up with everybody else, catch up what they're doing, and y'all come along for the video. It's gonna be a great video. If you don't mind, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, come on, and let's see what we can get done. I got a tank full of water. Nasty smelling water too. I gotta open this little door. Hopefully I won't get it all over me, but we'll see. Got a little bit on my hand. That's it. Man, that stuff stinks. I don't know why I'm smelling it. We'll let all that drain out and then we'll get on the road. about halfway back to the shop, but one of the things we have to cross on the way back from Autaugaville is the Alabama River, and here it is. The river's up right now from all that rain from that tropical storm, so it's flowing pretty good. Okay, we made it back to the shop, and it was only a 2.5 hour drive today, and traffic was not bad at all, so we got home safely and quickly. And look who I found here at the shop. Say hey, Thomas.
Hello.
Wave at the camera. That's Thomas, my son. He's hanging out at the farm today. So we made it back. I saw PA and Dad over here in the background. They're doing something to the planter. And I got Josh is up there washing my header. And so we'll check on Dad and PA and see what they're doing and see what else we can do to help out. Over here in the valley at the hay barn, Josh got through washing my header up, my McDon Draper header. So Dad is on the way over here, pulling it with the little Case 120 tractor, and we're gonna put it right there. So we'll see how good Dad can back today, because he's got to back it in right here, and that trailer is hard to back because it's got the rear steering axle, and can't hardly do it with a pickup truck, but he's hooked to the Case 120, so we'll see how good he can back today. Attempt number 1 did not go so well. Back up. Well, he got it in there. I thought he was gonna put it in that little hole over there that's really hard to get in, but he said he didn't want to do that today, so that's why we didn't do that today. Anyway, we just put it right here in the middle. I guess when we pull it back out, we'll take the time to put it in that tight little hole over there, but that'll be another day. I know one thing I need to do if we are able to spray tomorrow and we miss that rain that is coming in the background. But if we do miss it, I can go spray Autaugaville tomorrow, where I showed y'all the beans this morning where the wheat was. But I had staple in here. I was spraying cotton, and I had Roundup, which is fine, but I had staple in there, and you cannot spray staple on soybeans. So what I have to do is I have to rinse it out. I like to rinse it out 3 times. Put some water in there, stir it, rinse it, spray it out, put some more water in there, rinse it, stir it, spray it out, and do that 3 times. And then on the 4th time, I like to fill it up and put this all clear in. And what I'll do is fill it up, put the all clear in there, and then I'll stir it in the tank. I'll circulate it through the booms, I'll spray just a little bit out of the booms, and then I'll let it sit for 12 hours overnight, and that's kind of my decontamination. And then I'll drain it out in the morning, and it will be ready to go for spraying soybeans tomorrow if we don't get rained out. Anyway, at least I'll have the sprayer ready to go next time I'm ready to spray. So let's clean it out. Okay, so this is the last step of the cleaning out process. I've rinsed it out, like I said, 3 times, and this 4th time I filled it all the way up to the top, what you saw, and I'm just letting it stir in my tank right now. Now I am. And also at the same time I'm recirculating the whole boom. That's what's so cool about RoGator. Has that Liquid Logic system where your boom can recirculate all the way to the end and go all the way back in your tank and just keep recirculating. Really, really cool feature. I may have mentioned it in some of the videos earlier, but I really love that feature on this RoGator. So I'm circulating the booms, cleaning out the booms with fresh, clean tank cleaner, and also the big tank behind me, 1,330 gallon tank, is stirring in there, and it will be all circulated with the tank cleaner too. Alright, I'm going to put an end to this. All the time this tire goes flat, and we've looked for the leak, can't find it. Have to air it up about every 3 days, and obviously it's down now. So while I got a little bit of time, I'm going to pull this up there and we're going to put an end to this leaking tire, and plug it up and move on. Whew! Have I mentioned how hot it is today? It's like 95 degrees in the shade. Really, really hot and humid. Good rain making weather. Well, before we do anything, the first step is to air this tire up and get some air pressure in there so we can find the leak good, but we have no air pressure. The ongoing battle of our air compressor that's way out there in the warehouse, I don't know why, it gives us trouble all the time. So I'm gonna go out there now. I think Dad's gonna meet me out there and see if we can investigate it and come up with a solution to what in the world happened and get it back going. Yeah, I'm not messing with that. I'll wait on Dad. No air pressure.
Tap on?
I didn't know where to tap.
This is down.
Well, I feel pretty stupid. All I had to do is cut this lever on right here. But I thought that one controlled it. That's the one I thought turned it on, and it was on. That one was on, but obviously this first box is the one that controls the compressor. Oh, what a big waste of my dad's time. Feel like an idiot. All right, let's keep moving on. Don't worry about it. Stay focused. All right, the tire won this time. I could not find the leak, so once again we will keep on airing it up. I don't know, it's got a lot of places where we've already patched it. I thought it was going to be leaking on one of those spots where it already had a plug in it, but I checked all them and no leaks. Checked the valve stem, nothing. Checked around the rim, nothing. I don't know, need to get me a little bottle of soap and some water mixture and really have somebody get in the cab and pull it up just a little bit at a time and just go through every single inch of the tire. But I don't have anybody here to help me do that right now. So, put that on the back burner. Unfortunately, guys, we got rain coming. You saw it in the background. It's starting to rain pretty hard behind me. I can hear it coming. And we are out of time for this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was entertaining. And if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And we'll be putting out some more videos this week. So hopefully you'll join us later on for some more videos. And we'll catch you on the next one. See you guys.